So this is how you can add a timestamp in your YouTube videos. The very first step is going to your studio.youtube.com account and then going to content. This will display your channel content. Now, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and navigate the video where you want to add a timestamp to. So simply tap on this pen button or this details button, and then simply go ahead. And now we are here. As you can see, the title is here, the description is here, and all the other features you have within a YouTube video. Now, what you're going to want to do is actually go ahead and go into the description and then add a simple timestamp. For example, 00:01. This will be the intro of the video. And then, for example, 5 minutes in, or 05:00. This would be the gameplay part. And then after 10 minutes, this will be the outro. So if you actually go ahead and save, you will see that there are chapters within the video. So if you go ahead and scroll on these, you will notice that starting from 1 second in will be the intro, and once we go to 5 minutes in, it will be the gameplay, and then after 10 minutes, it's going to be the outro. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you.